challenge is about understanding the emotional impact of images presented by. Okay, so let's read. So let's start.
Hi, my name is Mathias Lux, and I'm going to show you what we did for the HP challenge on understanding the emotional impact of image and videos. This is joint work of me, my colleague Taschwer, and Oge Marques, who is also there. First, I want to present you two use cases. The first one, you're on holiday, and you want to remember a certain scene. It's beautiful, you want to preserve the good feeling. So just take a photo, file it, and revisit it later on when the memory is gone, and feel the same feeling, conveys a good feeling for you. A second use case would be that you don't know where you parked your car, you park it on a huge university parking lot, and for functional use you take a photo, support the task of finding the car later on, and revisit it in the evening just to find your car more easy. So what we did is we created a classifier for photos, and the classifier is based on the intentions of the photographer. We separate those photos that were taken to preserve a good feeling from those that were taken for other reasons. We created an application that takes a photo, analyzes it, and then decides whether this photo has been taken with the intention in mind to preserve a good feeling or not. We tested several approaches based on metadata, for instance, like title, caption, EXIF data, or content-based features, but it turned out in tenfold cross-validations that tags work best. Our classifier was trained on a test data set, which was the result of a large survey. The data is online available. Our prototype has a really simple interface. It just searches for photos and classifies and presents the retrieved photos. You just enter a text query, the text query is sent to Flickr, and you get a set of 36 photos from Flickr. So the photos are presented in a grid. You can scroll down. It's a standard result view, and the main clue about the application, however, is the good feeling switch in the upper right border of the application. So if you turn on the good feeling switch, then the photos that are taken with the intention to preserve a good feeling, and are therefore more likely to convey a good feeling, are more prominent as all other photos are blended out. The test data set was also presented at the Crowd MM workshop, and it's available online for scientific use. And everything else like the video, the presentation, the paper, and anything else is available online. Thank you very much.
Have you thought about testing this mobile phone images? Because it seems that people use mobile phone capture image a lot, and some of them are for preserve good feelings, and some of them are for functional use.
Actually, the classifier should take care of that because it's based on EXIF too. But thank you very much. The classifier was tested with the EXIF data, so that's reflected in the EXIF data. We also simplified the EXIF data in a way that we decided between mobile phone cameras and still image cameras, but it turned out that just the tags work better. Tenfold cross-validation.
So you said that you use both the image and the text to classify the picture?
We tried both, but it turned out to be the text in the final application.
So the metadata that the people enter to publish the data on the image?
We just took the metadata for searching for the images. The classification is just the text. That's the small portion of it.
Questions, please?
Very nice. Would this work if I just took a photo on my phone and send it to the classifier? Would that work, or would I need to add tags and text onto it?
In this case, you would need to add tags. It just works, of course, for photos that have tags. Again, the content-based features would be possible in a way, but we decided not to integrate them just the results are much better with text.
I assume that geotags would be highly correlated with whether images were taken for good feeling or not. If you're taking a picture in an airport car park, for example, it's probably not because you want to remember the beauty of the scene later and so on. Whereas if you're in a tourist destination, then you could assume that photos more likely to have been taken with a good feeling in mind.
I'm not sure if I get your question right. We have, at least I can point out that the paper we have listed the tags that are representative for the good feelings thing and those that are not.
Okay, so it's time to go next speaker. So let's